Welcome to our guide on essential kitchen tools for healthy cooking at home. In this video, we will delve into the must-have kitchen utensils that will make your cooking experience efficient and enjoyable. From quality knives for precise slicing to non-stick cookware for healthy meal preparation, we got you covered. Stay tuned as we discuss the importance of a durable cutting board, the convenience of blenders or food processors, and the necessity of accurate measuring tools. Equip your kitchen with these essential tools and elevate your culinary skills. When it comes to kitchen essentials, quality knives are a top priority. A chef's knife, paring knife, and serrated knife are key tools for any home cook looking to achieve precise and efficient cutting. The chef's knife is versatile and perfect for various tasks, while the paring knife handles intricate jobs like peeling and coring. The serrated knife excels at slicing through foods with tough exteriors and soft interiors. Investing in a set of quality knives will not only elevate your cooking experience but also make meal preparation smoother and more enjoyable. Don't underestimate the importance of a cutting board in your kitchen. A durable cutting board is not just a surface for chopping and slicing, it is a vital tool that protects your countertops from damage and prevents cross-contamination during food preparation. By using a cutting board, you ensure safe and hygienic cooking practices in your home kitchen. Choose a cutting board made of high-quality materials that is easy to clean and maintain. With the right cutting board at your disposal, you can enhance your cooking efficiency and maintain a clean cooking environment. When it comes to healthy cooking, non-stick cookware is a game-changer. By investing in non-stick pans and pots, you can significantly reduce the amount of oil needed for cooking, promoting a healthier diet. Additionally, non-stick cookware makes cleaning up a breeze, as food residue is less likely to stick to the surface. This not only saves you time and effort but also encourages you to cook more nutritious meals at home. Explore the benefits of non-stick cookware in your kitchen and enjoy the convenience of cooking with ease and efficiency. A blender or food processor is a versatile tool that can revolutionize your meal preparation. With these appliances at your disposal, you can effortlessly create a variety of healthy recipes such as smoothies, sauces, and dips in a matter of minutes. Blenders are perfect for mixing fruits and vegetables into nutritious smoothies, while food processors excel at chopping, blending, and pureeing ingredients for homemade sauces and dips. Adding a blender or food processor to your kitchen arsenal will not only save you time but also inspire you to explore new culinary possibilities and enjoy flavorful, homemade creations. Precision is key in the kitchen, and accurate measuring tools play a crucial role in achieving culinary perfection. Measuring cups and spoons are indispensable for following recipes to the letter and maintaining consistency in your dishes. By using the right measurements, you can ensure that your baked goods rise perfectly, your sauces have the ideal balance of flavors, and your meals are portioned correctly. Whether you're a novice cook or a seasoned chef, having reliable measuring tools at hand will elevate your cooking skills and help you create delicious and well-balanced meals every time.